Welcome to the iAKH Studio Podcast Season 1. I'm your host, Lucy. In this series, we're diving deep into the world of IT, software development, and the emerging technologies that are shaping our future. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence and its profound impact on software development. To help us unpack this complex and exciting subject, we have our resident expert, Dr. Andrew Morocco. Andrew, it's great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me, Lucy. It's a fascinating time to be in software engineering, and AI is at the heart of so much of the change we're seeing.
I can only imagine. To start us off, could you give our listeners a broad overview? When we talk about AI in software development, what are we really talking about?
That's an excellent question. Essentially, we're talking about using intelligent algorithms and machine learning models to assist and, in some cases, automate various stages of the software development lifecycle. Think of it as having an incredibly smart and efficient co-pilot for developers. This isn't about replacing human developers, but rather augmenting their abilities and freeing them up from repetitive and time-consuming tasks.
A co-pilot. I like that analogy. So where does this AI co-pilot fit into the development process? Is it just about writing code?
Not at all. Its influence is felt across the entire lifecycle. Let's break it down. Planning and requirements. In the very beginning, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to help predict project timelines more accurately and even assist in gathering and refining user requirements by identifying potential inconsistencies. Design and architecture. AI tools can suggest optimal software designs and architectures based on the project's specific needs and best practices from countless other projects. Coding. This is where many people's minds go first. AI-powered tools like GitHub Copilot or Tab9 can suggest lines of code, complete functions, and even write entire code blocks based on natural language descriptions. This significantly speeds up the coding process. Testing and quality assurance. AI is a game changer here. It can automatically generate test cases, identify bugs and security vulnerabilities that human testers might miss, and even predict which areas of the code are most at risk for future defects. Deployment and maintenance. AI can automate the deployment process, monitor applications for performance issues in real time, and even proactively identify and suggest fixes for problems before they impact users. That's incredibly comprehensive. It sounds like AI is streamlining almost every aspect of a developer's job. What would you say are the biggest benefits of this integration? The benefits are multifaceted. First and foremost is a massive boost in productivity and efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, developers can focus on more complex problem-solving and innovation. This leads to a faster time to market, which is a huge competitive advantage in today's fast-paced digital world. Another key benefit is improved code quality. AI tools are excellent at spotting errors, enforcing coding standards, and identifying security vulnerabilities. This results in more robust, reliable, and secure software. And let's not forget the democratization of software development. With the rise of low-code and no-code platforms powered by AI, individuals with less traditional coding experience can now build applications, fostering a new wave of innovation.
That all sounds incredibly positive, but are there any downsides or challenges to bringing AI into the software development process?
Absolutely. It's not a magic bullet, and there are significant hurdles to overcome. One of the biggest is the issue of data privacy and security. AI models, especially those in the cloud, are trained on vast amounts of data, and there's a risk of proprietary or sensitive code being exposed. Then there's the issue of the black box problem. Some advanced AI models can be so complex that even their creators don't fully understand how they arrive at a particular solution. This lack of transparency can be a major issue, especially in critical systems. We also have to consider the potential for bias. If an AI model is trained on biased data, it will produce biased results. This can have serious ethical implications. And of course, there's the skill gap. Developers need to learn how to effectively use these new AI tools and interpret their suggestions, which requires a new set of skills. Those are some very important considerations. It seems like a balanced approach is key. You mentioned a few AI tools earlier. Could you give us a few more examples of the kinds of tools that are out there? Certainly. The market for AI-powered development tools is exploding. For code generation, as I mentioned, GitHub Copilot is a frontrunner. For testing, tools like Applet Tools use AI for visual testing to catch UI bugs, and Test.ai can automate the creation and execution of tests. In the realm of security, Snake uses AI to find and fix vulnerabilities in your code and dependencies. And for project management, AI-powered features in tools like Jira can help with task allocation and timeline predictions.
It's amazing to see such a diverse range of applications. Looking ahead, what do you see as the future of AI in software development? What's the next big thing we should be watching out for?
I believe we're moving towards a future of agentic AI. These are AI systems that can take on more complex, multi-step tasks with a greater degree of autonomy. Imagine being able to give an AI agent a high-level goal, like, build me an e-commerce website with these features, and it can then go through the entire process of planning, designing, coding, and testing with minimal human intervention. We'll also see a continued rise in the importance of explainable AI or XAI. As AI becomes more powerful, the need to understand its decision-making process will be paramount for trust and accountability. And finally, the synergy between AI and DevOps, known as AIOps, will become even more crucial for managing the complex, dynamic environments of modern applications.
A future with autonomous AI agents building software is a mind-boggling thought. It really underscores the speed at which this field is evolving. Dr. Morocco, thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today. You've given us a fantastic and well-rounded view of the role of AI in software development.
My pleasure, Lucy. It's been a topic I'm passionate about, and it's been great to discuss it.
And to our listeners, we hope this episode has sparked your curiosity about the incredible intersection of AI and software development. Join us next time on the iAKH Studio podcast as we continue to explore the technologies that are shaping our world.